Okay, well, I'm back again, and I'm going to try and not use any of those fun video effects. Though I'd really like to. Those were really cool. Let's see here. Let's see. One Itsy Bitsy Butterfly has a stupid face and sounds contest. I've got absolutely nothing to do today other than work for school that I should really be doing because it's break. Let's see. Silly face. Wait, I can't do silly faces. Silly faces isn't my thing. Like that. Guess that kind of counts. That might count also. I guess that would count for sound also. Look. Or you could do something, I don't have any silly sounds. I guess I could cheat and use one, for, what's its name? Can't think of it. This is what you get for doing candid and quick videos. Let's see. Silence of the Lambs. There we go. Fava beans. Now I can't do it because I spit all over it. And I don't like spitting all over my dad's computer. Not fun at all. Can you do this with your nose? Kind of hard to do. Oh, favorite face of mine. And my little sister does it. Because I'm certain I did it and so did my brother. And then we go... We just squint our nose up and... Yeah. Kind of how it works in my family. Weird. So, there's my entry for the... That's poor sounds. That's poor sounds. I guess I did faces better than sounds, but oh well. There we go. Got it done. See you later.